Hi homeowners, this is Joshua, your host for today. Welcome to a brand new episode of My Reno Story, where we bring to you the latest interior design trends in Singapore. Today we'll be talking about design tips to create a good and practical Scandinavian home in 2022. To help me with that, we have Brandon, the ID, to tell us more about space.
Hi Joshua, Brandon here. Thanks for inviting me today. And today we are looking at 20 years old resale flat, and this is the 4-room resale flat.
Okay, let's go.
So Scandinavian design is top design in Singapore, which is simple yet nice looking and welcomes natural light.
As we walk into the house, we are immediately greeted by this long layout where on this end we have the living room and on the other end we have the dining room. And right next to me, we have the TV console, which is very uncommon in a Singapore housing kind of layout, right? But it's great for feng shui as the sofa is situated right against.
Scandinavian design is mainly maximize space. So what I do is overlay light grey color vinyl to make the space look more bigger. Also, vinyl is cost effective because we do not need to pack the floor, which is a tile or parquet.
I personally like this area a lot because of the foldable and transparent doors as well as windows, as it allows for a lot more natural light into the kitchen. This also creates an overall illusion of a bigger space.
So this kitchen island also works as a prep area and quick breakfast.
Yes, exactly. I like that when unused, the sliding doors can be opened up and the entire living and dining looks much bigger. Okay, we're done with the living and kitchen area. Right now we'll move on to the rooms as well as the toilet. Now we have this wooden-like structure with grey and white palettes, which is synonymous throughout the house, which gives it a really cozy environment. So as you can see, the owner also did not install any complex carpentry, so allowing them to move their furniture around as they please. Now, we have something extra for you digital savvy homeowners. Smart home technology is slowly becoming a norm in Singapore, and what we have here is basic necessity that all homeowners should consider.
Yes, Joshua. In short, this is a smart home system that can control the fan, lights, and aircon by using the app, which homeowner can easily customize a preset according to their lifestyle. Okay guys, that's all for today's home tour. To remember, Scandinavian design is always to have non-bulky design and neutral color matchings.
That's right. And with that, if you enjoyed watching today's video, do remember to subscribe to My Reno TV, as well as check out their upcoming open house event where you can get up to 7% additional rebates, as well as door gifts and many more. Thank you, see you, bye bye.